to my channel. Sani Bunani Njani. Hey, South Africa. This is Elise from Discovering Elise, and today we decided to stop by this festival. Is called Bites on 7th. It's a bunch of black food trucks and vendors. It's a lot of people out here. It feels really good outside today. The wind is blowing. It's kind of an overcast, and it's like in the 80s, so it's nice. It feels really nice. So what it is, I think it's just like a bunch of food trucks. I've never been, but it's a bunch of food trucks, and then you're supposed to get a band or something like that, and it's free to get in. And I think it's like small tastings of different food trucks, vendors, if I'm not mistaken. But so yeah, guys, that's where we are, and I'll take you guys along with us so you can see what's going on out here. All right. What is that though? Oh, it's like the Palestine stuff. Is this the Palestine stuff? Must be why the police out here. Police out here. Yeah, it's got to be the Palestine stuff. Okay. Where we going over here? They over there. That's the protesting. I think that's for like the Palestine. The stuff, the war that's going on. Oh, you want to say hi to them? Wait. Here. No. That's it? Yes. That's all? Yes. Oh, God. Y'all like her hello? They like your hello. We gotta go around that way. We gotta get through it. All these can't fit in there. Tiny biscuit. You want tiny biscuit? Sweet potato bites, mini salmon burger, tender love.
This means the daddy and his nobody here.
You gotta get the band. I guess that's what we're going to go and there's hot dogs, burgers, and fries. I think that's just make it easier to pay, so you don't have to keep pulling out your card. So the Airbnb food.
Today, but I'm in a clothing.
Train. What you pushing for? Oh, the train coming down. Beyond Donuts. They sold out.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, seen the way to believe I do with the world I'm a sinner. Yeah, nobody will be over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all they need to shit out.
I already started it. I already started. I already started the video. I said I started the video already. Not a good photographer. We don't like the ratchet music. Kind of look like print. That is print. I think. Yeah, and it's purple. Purple. You know, all this stuff is purple. Somebody did a good job. That is print. pretty. It's fun just sitting there listening to the music. I bet y'all ain't seen that many black people in my vlog in a long time. Pretty was over there trying to dance, sitting down though. She can dance though, y'all. She can dance when she wants to. Now she can dance. So I ain't gonna take it away. You can. She can dance.
Okay. Thank you.
Y'all like my skirt? It's a scarf. It's like a big scarf. When I was at the Bimbe festival, one of the vendors, the African vendor, gave it to me for free. And I just got it wrapped around like a skirt. But I think you can wrap it around like up here, like a dress. Or I can wrap it around my head and wrap my locks up.
Kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand. Say your dad know like me, nah. See me, I won't make it no. Say me there for you, cara. And if not, you pride me, that I feel like to see ya. I never traded you for nothing. This love will make me the jack machine. Without you, I'm not free to love. Without you, I'm not gonna tell me with this all bingo. I never traded you, baby. This love will make me this naughty. No. I'm gonna tell me what's all bingo. I'm gonna watch you make me dead. I'm gonna bet I won't make you. Baby, I'm gonna make you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Tell her to say something. What do you have to say? Did you have a good time today?
Yes, I did.
Okay, let's explain. Like, talk about it.
I had fun with my people.
Why you gotta be so close up to the camera?
My people. Listening to music. It was a vibe.
It was a vibe.
Yes.
And then you said you couldn't wait to get back to South Africa.
And I can't wait to get back to South Africa with my other people. I miss y'all.
That's it?
Yep.
That's it and that's all?
That's it, that's all. Peace.
Oh, these little flowers are pretty. Oh.
He's way down there.
Because he was down there.
He's right there. That was one of them.
Okay guys, thank you so much for coming out with us today and spending time at this wonderful festival. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will pick you guys back up on the next one. Bye.